In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft Loop. This is a quick and simple process on Windows, and in just a moment, you'll have Microsoft Loop ready to use on your device. If you're not familiar with it, Microsoft Loop is a collaboration app from Microsoft that helps you organize ideas, notes, and shared work in a flexible workspace. Installing it through the Microsoft Store is usually the easiest and safest method, since it helps ensure you're getting the official version directly from Microsoft. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Loop page in the Microsoft Store. Once the page loads, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct app listing. You should see Microsoft Loop along with the option to download or install it. Using the official Microsoft Store page is important because it helps avoid unofficial downloads and makes future updates much easier to manage. When you're on the Microsoft Loop Store page, look for the download button and click it. Depending on your browser and system settings, this may open the Microsoft Store app automatically, or it may continue the process in your browser first. Either way, just follow the prompt that appears. If the Microsoft Store opens, you may see an install button there as well. That's normal, and it's simply part of Microsoft's standard app installation flow. After you click download, the installation should begin automatically. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and your computer's performance, but in most cases, it should only take a few minutes. During this part, make sure your device stays connected to the internet so the download can complete without interruption. Once the installation finishes, you'll usually have the option to open Microsoft Loop right away. If you don't see it immediately, you can also find it later by opening the Start menu and searching for Microsoft Loop. From there, you can launch the app and sign in with your Microsoft account if needed. A useful tip is to keep the app updated through the Microsoft Store, so you always have the latest features, improvements, and security updates. If the download button doesn't seem to work at first, try refreshing the page or checking that you're signed into the Microsoft Store on your PC. And that's it. That's how to download and install Microsoft Loop on Windows.